Thank you, that's it for the super. Man, I can't wait to see your 3D debut and you live at the concert. Oh my god, wait, let me. Let's talk about this for 1 second because last time we streamed, I couldn't tell you, of course. You guys did not expect this, right? Oh my god. Every time one Chatino was like, oh my god, Raora, I can't wait to see your 3D debut. I was like, I'm not seeing this super chat. I'm not looking. I won't get in trouble for this. So I'm sorry if I ignored some super chat, you know. I received some super chat saying, oh my god, Raora, when is your 3D debut? I'm like, I really appreciate your super chat, you know, like it's really lovely of you. But do you think I can actually reply to this? What do you expect me to do? I was so every time was like, I'm not looking. So yeah, my 3D debut has been announced. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I'm so excited. You have no idea. I'm so excited. I'm gonna cry already. I'm crying already. I'm crying. You guys are not ready. You guys are not ready to see my tail in 3D. Can you believe it? Can you believe that it's been already 1 year? And can you believe that? Sorry. Can you believe it? I'm gonna move, I'm gonna dance, and I'm gonna sing in front of everyone, and I'm gonna die, and I'm gonna bury myself under the ground because I'm very shy. Adios.